Hi guys, maraming nag-ask dyan na kung ano yung maganda para kita yung abs, tapos mawala yung lower muscle chest fat, yung ganyan. So, ang technique lang talaga dyan, ang advice ko is lower your body fat. Pag lower yung body fat nyo, mas kita yung muscles. Pero kung gusto nyo pag pumayat kayo, kita yung muscles, na mas nagpa-pop yung muscles, yung ganyan, lalabas siya, i-workout nyo siya. Kasi ang advice ko through the years, dati heavy ako, ego lifting, bam, bam, may 200 pound dumbbell ako, yan o, kita nyo. Yan o, ngayon may 8 pounds, may 3 pounds, may 5 pounds. Tandaan nyo, muscle contraction. Kunwari yan, siniflex nyo yan. Kinocontract nyo, hold nyo 2 seconds, that's negative. Mas mahirap yung negative. It's positive, explosive, para athletic. Mind-muscle connection. So, ngayon bibigyan ko yung advice, magsusuperset ako. Lats, back, para V-taper. Ito yung bar ko. Yan. Tapos chest, upper chest. Kasi gravity, bababa yung chest eh. So, hope this advice